Mugamba chiba friends and the family. They don't deserve a sungu bunuma police brutality. But look abali mu uniform but you say mentality. Mulime kubanga basiru wabalalu casualty. Mulabe wa feyo muge mazima reality. Misangari na minji ngalo bale na thefute. Muchu se mundu muzitunuzi rachitula community. Sika sanga tikuba. Eyo place to jasula. Recognition of the people's choice. Ate gwe musiba. Mikwano jije mukuba. Muchifoche okukuma peace law and order. Banama wali da tebe mutulugunyiza makasonda. Mwandi badde Newton muva mukwe kubida oluda. Enchuka chuka yena atajira bande jukulaga madda. Mweba crime preventers. Mitwe mikalunga mputa. Yala wezi kubanga ugulo muguwanga weta. Mitwalo 15. Tunze gwanga lyo edembe lyo kumale myaka jiddake 5. Mweba police officer. Mweba pira regime bakozesa bukozesa. Edalo likulia kopolo na yina abo tutisa tisa. Yekebengo li general. Tolina lukusa sebo oba nyabo bululu bokukusa. Ateba military soldier. Mutuyambe mutununule mutuwonye chine ekisajja. Tukoyo tusabedizanga badekadde ekisanja. Tulilede okuwama bugafazali munatubanja. Yo, Bampita Bonham Tibwa, the look of the revolutionary human rights activist, Zidobazita revolutionary buzz. Genda ku Facebook, Twitter, follow Bonham Tibwa, follow the revolution. Don't forget to share. Whatever. Salute.